Hello dear traders, I'm Maria Staradop and this is the review of crypto analytics from fx.co. It's the 12th of July today, Wednesday, and in our today's review, the BRICS countries have announced a plan to introduce a digital currency and how this may affect the Bitcoin quotes. Meanwhile, all crypto market is frozen ahead of important macroeconomic data today. And we have two articles by Sebastian Selig again, and both of them they're written today in the morning. And we will start with news as usual. And thus, the author of the best-selling book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki, once again announces a sensational increase in the value of Bitcoin, and according to him, it may rise to as much as $120,000 in the near future in a short time. And these predictions are not unfounded at all, as the BRICS countries have announced a plan to introduce a digital currency. Moreover, it will be based on gold, which may not only undermine the hegemony of the US dollar index, but also increase the value of Bitcoin, today even described by Larry Fink as digital gold. BRICS is the code name for the countries that make up the community, namely Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. And this community intends to introduce a new digital currency that will be based on gold, and an official announcement and statement on the matter is to be made at the community summit in Johannesburg, South Africa in August. And the plan to introduce this digital currency is related to the desire to stimulate trade within the BRICS, as well as to eliminate the higher costs caused by currency exchange in international transactions. And it's worth noting that experts' opinion on the impact of the new BRICS digital currency are divided. Some argue that it will be a supplement to the existing dollar-based monetary system. The latter see the BRICS as a serious challenge to the hegemony of the US dollar. They emphasize that it's even more visible in the fact that the BRICS will have a solid base in gold. Okay, and now let's get to cryptocurrencies, and we will start with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin American dollar pair has made a new swing high at the level of 31,514 and then pulled back from the extremely overbought market conditions on the 4-hour and daily time frame chart towards a narrow zone seen around 30,000. The intraday technical support is seen at the level of 29,729 and the intraday technical resistance is seen at 30,428. The level 28,446 still acts as the technical support. The next target for bulls is still seen at the level of 32,350, but they need to wait for a fundamental event that would trigger more volatility, and then the whipsaw trading conditions are expected. Okay, let's have a look at the chart for the moment. And Bitcoin opened today, the 12th of July, at the point 30,602, and now it's trading at the point 30,755. So it's still at the same levels. It's still in a consolidation phase, but we know that today is quite an important day. Today the CPI data in the US will be published, and that event would trigger volatility in the market, and Bitcoin may go to new highs or to new lows. So we will wait for the second half of the day. And now let's say a couple of words about Ethereum and another article by Sebastian. So Ethereum American dollar pair has bounced from the key short-term technical support at the level of 1,816. So far, it has been trading inside a narrow range located between 1,904 and 1,862, and bulls made one failed attempt to rally higher. So the Ethereum market participants await the fundamental trigger to truly break out from the consolidation. And the intraday technical support is still seen at 1,862, and the intraday technical resistance is located at 1,904. Okay, let's have a look at the chart of Ethereum for the moment. And Ethereum opened today at the point 1,879, and now it is trading at the point 1,890. So also it's in the same consolidation channel like Bitcoin, of course, and it's also awaiting for some fundamental trigger. So let's wait for the second half of the day and keep watching the news. And this is all for today. We'll see each other tomorrow in our next review. I wish you profitable trading and have a nice day. Goodbye.